Hello. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So with that, I think we move on to our live analysis. The key data that is going to be out. In fact, today employment change, unemployment rate came out from New Zealand dollars. In fact, employment change is as expected, and unemployment rate was better than expected. And we don't have any other data. The only data is crude oil inventories and construction PMI from the pound, which was just out about half an hour ago. That was like better than expected. So we don't have any data from the US. And tomorrow, okay, or 2 o'clock, I should say, early in the morning. Okay, we have the Fed fund rate, which is um, previous was 4.5 and forecast is 4.5, followed by FOMC statement and FOMC press conference at 2:30. Okay, so there's going to be a very important data to take note. Then tomorrow also we have a pound interest rate announcement, which is also the expected is a 1/4% cut. Okay, and we have US unemployment claims. Okay, so these are the key data that is to be looked forward to, and we just need to have our attention towards this FOMC statement and FOMC rate announcement. So let's move on to our analysis. Okay, the gold has been pretty hectic in the past couple of days. Okay, because one of the reason being is because of this geopolitical tensions that is happening, uh, and also just give me 1 minute. Yeah. So then also I think today there was I think India also attacked Pakistan. So as a result, I think that's one of the reason why gold has been moving. In the past few days. I think previous news was Israel was attacking Yemen. So there is a lot of problems that is arising. So we got to be very careful because mainly it's a news driven market. So sometimes it can be up, then some announcement comes in, then it might move in either directions. Okay. So now, when we look into gold, right now this is trading at 3381. Okay, and also this is within the range. So I don't think, in fact, this has been in a very tight range in the last 15 minute, 30 minute, and also 60 minutes. So the range is between 3378 half and 3388 half. So I don't think there would be any big movement until the break. Okay, so we can concentrate on other instruments while we are waiting. Then later on I'll give you a clear directions for the gold and how are we going to trade that. Okay, now let's look into the currencies. There is no data out, any more data, important data for tonight. Only the late in the morning, the US interest rate announcement and FOMC statement. So, so with that taking into consideration, so let's start the ball rolling. Okay. So now, if you look into the currencies, in fact, it has been for the past 360. It has been dead quiet. Okay. So then 120 also it is been pretty quiet. So but the range, we can take lower range for uh, the euro, which means 11340 and 11380. So that should be a range play. And pound, we have 13335 and 13370. So this is going to be a very tight range. So I don't think we would be able to get into any trades. But of course, we can look for opportunities. So let's concentrate on euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Pound is breaking the low. Maybe we can see whether pound against the crosses are breaking as well. No, but actually only the pound is moving. Okay, pound against US. So if that's the case, then we'll try to trade on pound. We'll try to trade on dollar CAD. Okay, which is continuing in the direction. Then the next one would be, of course, dollar yen and Sing dollar. We don't look at it now. So we'll concentrate on this three: pound, uh, dollar CAD, dollar yen, followed by the gold, which we trade. Okay, so now let's see the pound first. Okay, pound right now this is trading at 133.30. This is trading on the 6 hours. This is already into the selling zone, and the daily we need to see the 13315 or lower to break for further weakness. Okay, so how we can trade pound based on the system. Okay, based on the system. Right now this is 33.35. Now it's about 30. So market yesterday was 3405. That was the current week high. Then we have today's high is lower than yesterday's high, and today's low, this is trading near the day low, but this is higher than your previous day low. So if we are right, we should see the price breaking the low, and the next key level for us to pay attention is 3290. And once 3290 breaks, we should see the price going below 3260 or even lower. So on the other hand, where can we sell? Selling level should be 33 half or 3370. Okay, 33 half or 3370. So that is the level we are planning to go for a sell. Okay, let's get into the chart and see how we can trade this uh, currency. Okay, so pound, okay, looking at it on the daily, this price we should be looking to go for a sell below 3380. Okay, your 6 hours is also creeping down. This is creeping down. This is not like a down move, because if you see the price, really price, even though it's coming down, but this is within this one candles range. So that means to say that this price is not moving fast as expected. So what we can do is we can try to go for a sell at 33 half. Okay, 33 half. Stop at 33 80, because this is 70, so we'll try to put slightly above. Then our TP we will try to exit at 33.10 or 32.90. Remember, the system said 32.90 is a key level to pay attention to, so which is also an extension of this level. So I think that should be the level to pay attention. So what we are going to do is we are going to go for a sell. Since we are going for a sell at a higher level, so this is not a momentum trade. Okay, this is slightly, okay, slightly higher 80. Sorry. Okay, so then we'll try to exit at 33.10, 05 or 32.90. So these are the two levels of price target which we are looking for. As far as the expiry is concerned, okay, we can give 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours for this this uh, entry. So which is going to be about 1930. Okay, so this would be our trade setup for pound. So then what we can do is, since that the the high is 85, so we will try to sell another one at 70, and we will put about 30-35 pips stop loss. And this is again, we will try to exit at 33.10, and this is one lot, and this one we can go until the next time, but since there is no data out. So this is the call for pound. Okay, we can go safely go for the pound. One of the reason being is tomorrow pound interest rate and market is expecting a 0.25% cut. So most likely, I think this should be a uh, level to enter. Okay. So the next one we want to trade is, remember I told you it's dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat, then dollar yen. Okay, so these are the three instruments which we are going to focus. So now, if we look into dollar, thanks. If we look into dollar CAD, uh, okay, right now this is trading at 138.05. So when we compare the high and lows, so in fact current week high is 38 half, previous week high is 38.95, and current day high is 38.05, and current day low is higher than previous day low, and current week low is same as the previous day, which means to say that was yesterday's low. So we should be looking to go for a buy, and we should see price hitting 38.35 and 38 half. Okay, 38 half, and next is 38.95, which is your previous week previous week high. So on the downside, I think we should be looking to buy somewhere near 37 80 or 60. Okay, so let's see that on the chart. Okay, looking at the price action daily, this is still in a very tight range, which means to say that we should be exiting before 38.45 and 38 half. Okay, and as far as the 360 is concerned, okay, we should be looking to buy uh, stop below 37 half, and we should be looking to buy somewhere near 85, 85 or 90. So we'll try to buy at 90, then we'll try to put a stop at 55. So which means to say about 35 pips, and we'll try to exit at 30, 35 or 40. So that means about 45 pips that is available. Okay, so here we are looking to go for a buy at 37.90. Okay, so this one we will try to give another 2 hours for this price entry. Then we can go for another entry at 70. 70, and that one we will give until the next time belt, which is entry 137.70, 745, and 138.35. Okay, one lot, and this is again until the next time belt, and this one is current day. So we have two orders again. Okay, for those of you who came in late, okay, I just want to emphasize that we have two orders. One is pound selling. One is at 50, another one at 70. And then buying. One is at 90, another one at 70. Okay, TP. Either we can exit. Sorry, we can exit at 35 or 45 or 50. Okay, we have to wait for 50 to break, then only we can see the price moving north or higher. Okay, the next one we are going to look for is dollar yen. Okay, what the dollar yen is doing is, okay, in fact your previous 360, this is up, and the range we are looking at is 142.40 and 143.95. So tighter range is 142.85 to 143.45. Okay. Okay. Now, what we are looking on the system. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, we should be looking to buy near 143 20 or lower, but the stop has to be at 142.80. So your current day low is slightly higher than the previous day low, and current day high is lower than your previous day high and current week high. So which means to say we should be exiting before 143.95 and 144.10. So we should be looking to buy near 142.90, 143. Okay, with the stop below 142.80. So let's check that on the chart. And if you look into this, most likely we can go for a buy at 143 20, or 143. Okay, we'll put it as 143.20, stop at 142.85, and TP we want to exit before 143.85. Okay, we can have one more entry, buying cheaper 142.90, then stop at 50.55, then exit at 144.25. So we have two entries for dollar yen. Okay, so one is a scalping entry. We will try to go for a 143.20, 142.85, and 143 80, maybe 75 we will put as 80, 85, so we'll put it as 80 or maybe even 75. Okay, and this one we will try to put in until 1930. Okay, we have one more order, which is a day trading entry. So we'll try to buy at 142.90. Okay, we'll try to buy at 142.90 or 95, and the stop we will put it as 60, and TP 43.80 and 44.20 as the next exit. Okay, this one we can go for one lot, and this is again this is expiry until the next time belt. So we have three trades all in so far. Okay, again, for those of you who came in late, you may want to take a screenshot. Okay, we have two different types of entry exit and different time frame of expiry. So that is the beauty of our system is we should be giving an expiry, so we don't get ourselves caught unnecessarily in the region if the price doesn't get filled within the specific time we are looking for. Okay, now let's go into gold. Okay, gold it looks a bit tricky, and like as I said earlier on, this is mainly driven by geopolitical news. Okay, in fact, this is weekly. This has been up. Okay, as long as above 3353. Okay, as long as it's above 3353, market is expected to push higher and push higher towards the highs or test the highs. But in fact, today's high has been 34.35. It's been a bit critical, and this has the 34.35 happened, I think, in the morning. Okay, and after that I think India uh, I think India sent missile to Pakistan. Okay, that's the news. But anyway, that news wasn't the main driving force. I think the main driving force was two things. One is Israel uh, attacked Yemen. That's one. Then, of course, tonight we have FOMC minutes. Sometimes, okay, they may give a hint that okay, they may want to cut in the next meeting, because right now what the data we are getting is very soft data from the US. So that is one of the reason why we can expect a interest cut to be happening soon. Okay, now how can we trade this now? Okay, we are going to do live trades on gold. Okay, so the others we are not able to do the live trades because market has been quiet, and we would try to enter at the best entry levels as possible. Okay, right now, if you look at gold, right now this is trading at 3375, and this is trading below the it's down on the 120 time frame or time belt, which means to say this weakness is expected to continue another uh, let me see, because now the code has changed in CQG. Like, I'm also having difficulty in getting the time and all. Okay, now we see. Okay, so now your 2 hours has just started. So looks like this is within the range 3360 and 3385 or 3397. Okay, so most likely we may have seen a temporary high at 3435. Okay, we are not getting any further developments from the Middle East, or either from India or Pakistan, then most likely it will be in a range with a downside view. Okay, so this is what we feel. Okay, so now we we are here. End of the day, we are here to make money, and not to miss any opportunity. So now what we can do is we can try to go for a sell. Okay, let me get into the system. Okay, let me get into the system. Uh, okay, so this is well supported above 3346. Okay, 3346 and 3360. And on the daily, okay, now this is showing weakness, so we expect the price to move lower, and most likely, okay, 3360, 3353 should be holding, but of course, if we get some more weakness, then probably it may go lower. But on the other hand, okay, we should be looking to go for a sell near 95 and 98. Okay, so now let's trade based on the chart. Okay, the time belt for 6 hours. Okay, I'm not sure what is the time started. Okay, this is showing the same as the currency, okay, which is not right, but okay, never mind. I think we will still use this. Okay, what we will do, we will try to uh, okay, here how we can trade is we will try to sell. Seventy-eight, 91 half. Okay, so we will try to go for a sell at 91, stop at 90, 90, hold on, the previous high was 97 half. So, okay, we will do two trades. Okay, this is also not going to be a live trade because we are not going to enter near the market. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to put in two orders. One is scalping. Okay, here I think I won't be able to give an order because I don't get the price feeds. Hold on, yeah. Okay, I won't be able to give an order because the coding I think we haven't changed on this. So I have to resolve this. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show on the chart. Okay, I'll show on the chart. So there's two trades which we can go for this. Okay, one is as far as today's low is concerned. Okay, low is concerned. We should not see the price going below 56. Okay, I don't see the price going below 30. Okay, below 30. So, so that means we should be looking to go for a buy and hold and cautious sell. Okay, buy and hold. We are looking for 40, 46 as one level, then 33, 33 or 30 as another level. So we can have two, two entries. So how we can trade this is, okay, I repeat, okay, we can go for a cautious sell at 91 half. 91 or 91 half. Okay, I'll just write it here. Okay, I'm not able to see. Okay, text. Okay, so here Okay, sell at 3391, then stop at 3397.5. So this is where we want to put a stop. Then TP, we got to exit before uh, 76 and 66. Okay, 76. So this is where we are supposed to exit. Okay, so this is one trade we are looking at. Another trade is try to buy. Okay, buy 3360, because this might be the low. Okay, this might be the low, or the low might be a extension of this levels, which is next is 44 45 level. So we have two entry levels for buy and hold. So maybe this buying at 60, I may want to skip or postpone until the next time belt. So what I can give you is we can go for a buy. Okay, somewhere we buy at 3344. Okay, stop at 3337 half or 38. Okay, then if this is filled, this is not stopped out, then we can exit before 60, 64 or 70, 74, 75. So that is about $30 move we are looking for. Okay, so that would be your TP. And next entry point would be buying at 330, 30 half. Okay, so the one I think we have to put a stop at 25, then we put a much higher level as TP. Overall, the direction of the gold is still range with a limited downside view. Expect this price to get stable soon. Expect the market to be turning up. With the two things in mind. One is geopolitical tension, and the next one is US interest rate or FOMC minutes that is to be announced. So these are the trades we are looking for today. So for those of you who come in late, okay, this is what I just want to share with you. We have dollar yen buying at 43.20, exiting 43.75. Dollar cat buying at 37.90, exiting at 38.35. Pound selling at 33 half, exiting at 33.05. Okay, on the other hand, a next entry or a better entry. Okay, what we are seeing is dollar yen to buy at 48.90. Okay, this is not. It will give the dollar. Sorry, the dollar yen. Okay, where was I? Yeah, buying the next entry is buying at 42.90, exiting at 43.80. Dollar cat buying at 37.70, exiting at 38.35 or 38.50, to be one more level we can expect. And the same thing, pound, look to sell at 33.70, then exiting at 33.10 or 32.90. So these are the levels. Gold, we are cautiously bullish, so expect some pull down to happen, and we expect the price to, if at any point seen, okay, because of course 60 might be the low, but even if it breaks, then the next level we are looking at is 45, and the next further level is 30 we are looking at, and we are not looking below 30 for today. So expect to be bullish cautiously. Okay, cautiously means, and then we have to sit in front of the screen and try to uh, get on the move. Okay, I think that's about it. Any questions? You have any questions you can raise, or any markets you want to discuss? If not, then we can end the session and see you again tomorrow. Okay, so if you have no questions, okay, thank you for coming into this channel. Okay, looking forward to see you again. And of course, if you feel we have done a good job, then give us a like and refer your friends. Okay, so thank you and see you again tomorrow. Bye.